This is another one of my Salvation Army finds. Okay. And the model number is 68. It's the Hoover. This is the Hoover cleaner, makes car rugs last longer. It consumes 420 watts. Here's a little bit of a comparing the old with the new video. Sometimes I think new design is not good. Actually, many times I think that. In order for this vacuum cleaner to pick up, when I'm going to correct it, when I say this vacuum cleaner, when this vacuum cleaner picks up dirt from the floor, it has to go through this hose all the way up here and down that sharp bend right there and into the dust cup thing right there, which the dust cup's on the other side of this receptacle. And with this one, it goes from the motor right in the bottom there up to the bag. This one, it's a Dirt Devil. We've had it probably about 6 or 8 months. And the first time I attempted to do a video, I like to have never figured out how to turn it on, which is this button right here. This one's got a switch on the handle. The old one, I would doubt that it consumes 12 amps, but the new one does. And I think I quoted the wattage earlier. This one is made in China. It just says 12 amps. It doesn't say what the watts are. It doesn't pick up good at all, in my opinion. I've noticed too that when I turn the new one on, the lights get significantly dimmer than the when the old one is turned on. Let's try a demonstration. Start with the old one. There's the old one, and now for the new one. I don't know if you noticed it on video, but the new one is considerably louder. And it's also had already had the belt replaced on the bar. And the height adjustment seems to not work. And not to mention that it's much harder to lug around than this one is. And there you have it.